Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to make 3 different breakfasts to have ready and prepped for the week for the kids going back to school. So I have some sliced ham, spinach, eggs, cheese, and milk, and this is going to make our favorite egg cups that we love. I try and make these all the time. Both the kids love these. So I have my thick sliced ham that I get it at Walmart in the deli section. So I'm going to cut it into some small little squares, dice it up, and then it will be ready to go into my ham egg cups. So I am going to dice that up, and then I'm going to get the rest of my ingredients ready for the egg cups. So I have 10 eggs. I'm going to whisk them together before I add the other ingredients. I'm going to mix them all the way through. For the other ingredients with the egg cups, it's just all of our favorites. You can use any kind of vegetables you'd like. We love spinach, but you can use broccoli, zucchini. I'm going to add milk, and I'm going to do the diced ham, the frozen spinach that I have defrosted, and cheddar cheese. You can also use any kind of cheese you'd like. These are really good with bacon as well. So any kind of breakfast meat, even sausage, these egg cups, there are so many different ways you can make them, and they are all really delicious, and they're freezer friendly also. So I like to make a really big batch. We can put them in the freezer and pull a couple out each day for breakfast, just heat them up in the microwave. They're really great. But for this batch, I am going to use my silicone muffin liners that I absolutely love. I got these on Amazon, so I will link them in the description box. I really like that I don't have to spray cooking spray in these. They just are really great nonstick and really great for cleanup as well, really easy. So I love using these for any kind of muffins. So I'm going to add in my mixture of my eggs, ham, spinach, and cheese. I'm going to measure it into each cup, about 1/4 cup, and then I'm going to cook these in the oven. I have it already preheated at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the egg cups are cooking, I'm going to make a big batch of just regular pancakes. The kids love pancakes, and I don't like to make them in the morning. They just are messy and they take a while. So I'm going to make a big batch, and I freeze these as well. So I'm going to make 2 cups worth of the mix, and it's going to make quite a few pancakes. This will definitely last us throughout this week. So I'm going to mix this up and put it into my pancake dispenser that I love using. It makes making pancakes so easy. It makes it easier to make them about the same size, which is great. So I'll pour the mixture in here. I'm going to link this pancake dispenser in the description box as well. It's from Amazon also, and it is really convenient. So I'll pour my mix in, and then it'll be ready to cook onto the stove. All right, so I have my pan on the stove, and this pan fits about 4 little pancakes at a time. So I'm going to make 4, and then I will just keep making them until I am done with my batter. So it's going to make quite a few batches. And my kids are kind of picky about their pancakes. They do not like them overcooked at all, so I definitely can't burn these. I have to make sure I watch them really closely, or else they don't even want to eat them, which I don't know why. But they are nice and lightly browned, just how they like them. So this batch is done. I'm going to keep making until I am done with all of the batter. So this made a huge batch of pancakes, nice small size, so the boys can have 3 or 4 of these each morning. So I'm going to line the pancakes onto parchment paper lined cookie sheet, and I'm going to freeze these for a little bit, and then they won't stick together when they are all cooled and ready to go, so I can store these a lot better. So I'm going to freeze these in 2 layers. I'm going to add another piece of parchment paper on top of this so I can add some more and they won't stick. So I'll add the rest of the pancakes, and I'm going to freeze these for about 30 minutes to an hour to get them nice and frozen, and then I'm going to store them in my reusable Ziploc gallon bags, and so they will be ready to go for the week. While those are freezing, I'm going to make some oatmeal. Zachary is obsessed with oatmeal right now, and the packets that we get at the store just have so much sugar in them. So I'm going to make our own, and he usually has 3 packets. So I measured that out, and it's about a cup of oats. So I'm going to do a cup for each mason jar. I just love using my mason jars for meal prep. So I'm going to portion out a cup of oats. I'm using quick cooking oats for these. I'm going to portion into each mason jar. And then I'll add in the other ingredients. I'm going to use a tablespoon of brown sugar. I have powdered milk as well, some cinnamon, and a little bit of salt. And these will be just like the brown sugar oatmeal packets that we get at the store. And this is also a really great way to save some money, and that's cheaper than buying this individual packets. So not only are they healthier with less sugar, but they're cheaper as well. So we all love that. It's really great part of meal prepping is saving money along with being organized and healthy. So there's so many awesome benefits of meal prepping. That's why I love it so much. But I'm getting these breakfasts ready for the week. So we're going back to school, and I know that things are going to be really hectic, and it'll just make life so much easier to have breakfast ready to go, a few different options for the kids, and I'll definitely be having some of the egg cups. They are my favorite. So all of this is ready to go.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just